Now, on Wall Street today, the talk of the stock market was a company you may not have heard of before. It's an electric truck maker called Rivian, and it is generating a lot of excitement among investors. After its first day of trading, Rivian became worth more than the traditional automakers Ford and General Motors, despite having produced fewer than 200 vehicles. Well, the BBC's Samira Hussain has been looking into what all the hype is about and sent this report from New York.
So this is it?
This is it. This is the R1T.
The first all-electric pickup truck to hit the market.
And our tent can actually hold up to 3 adults.
With a few bells and whistles, really geared towards the outdoorsy type who may want to cook on the fly. Unlike other electric cars, this one has a full-size spare in the back. And should you need to put air in those tires, there's a compressor for that.
Ooh, this is exciting. Ready?
Ready?
Drive.
Pickup trucks are not usually my jam, but for the sake of journalism, I got in the driver's seat. Electric cars still account for a small part of global sales, but the EV market is growing fast. For all the hype Rivian is generating, it also has some pretty serious backers. Traditional automaker Ford was an early investor and currently holds a 12% stake in the company, despite developing its own electric version of its popular F-150 pickup truck. Online retail giant Amazon owns 20% of Rivian.
I think a lot of people have a lot of anticipation because they do feel like there's shades of Tesla here. And some would say Tesla kind of 2.0. They're launching with a lot more I would say authority, a really impressive pedigree to who's at the company, what they've already accomplished, who's already become partners with them.
Although Amazon has said it will buy 100,000 vehicles, Rivian has not yet proven that it can actually build all of them at scale. And a recently filed gender discrimination lawsuit amid allegations of sexism within the company could be distractions for Rivian as it now faces the scrutiny of Wall Street and shareholders.
When Tesla went public 11 years ago, it was valued at less than $2 billion. But it paved the way for the likes of Rivian to go public and capture the attention of investors. Samira Hussain, BBC News, New York.